Hi, I'm Liz Cantor. Join me and my husband Ryan, sons Kit and Finn, and of course Bear, as we take on our first ever KnockDown ReBuild. Coming up on KnockDown ReBuild, the slab is poured, the frame goes up, and the rain starts falling.
All systems go, I can't believe it. Of course, it's the hottest, most humid day of the year, but weather gods are being kind to us so far. It's not looking too good over there, but we've got a dry break. We have been joking around for months and months. We've been praying for rain, and of course, drought-breaking rain comes as soon as we start the build.
Yeah, well, it's pretty exciting to see everything starting to get moving now, you know, like it's been a lot of sort of paperwork and, you know, design ideas and everything like that, but to see everything starting to come to life now, you can finally visualise something that's actually happening, so it's good.
I can't believe how quickly it's all happening. We're getting it home. We're getting it home. He's got grumpy face on. Oh, sorry. I've got to turn around so you can see the tractor again.
Sharon, as the rain continues to belt down here, residents in northern suburbs have been told to prepare to evacuate.
Now, all of this water is rushing into the low-lying suburbs of the coast.
A whole lot, that die with the night.
Guys, welcome to your house at frame stage.
Amazing.
All right, so I'll take you through. If you have any questions, ask me along the way. So guys, as you walk around, you'll see around the side of the block, you haven't actually got any pooling water, which is quite good. Because you guys are on sand, it is going to drain a lot better than the average soil block. So you can pop your head through here, you'll be able to see. There shouldn't be any pooling water.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah, so it's highly advantageous. But we'll go for a walk out the back and have a look there as well.
So this is the shower.
Yeah.
Bathroom.
This is your
Oh
yeah.
my gosh.
This is your downstairs bathroom.
Yeah.
The toilet will be there.
Uh-huh.
The stairs will be flying up over the top of that. Yeah. So this is your bedroom 5, your spare room for the babysitters. So,
Grandma and Gramps.
that's it. So you got your robe here, your window,
That's a
plenty of light
huge
coming through.
window.
Yeah, it is really big.
That's
so
nice.
it's excellent. It's a spacious room.
Yeah, it's bigger than what I thought it would be.
And really high ceilings too.
Yeah.
Yeah, very spacious.
We upgraded that, didn't we, on this
Yeah.
Yeah.
20,
Yeah, probably one of the
2700.
27. Yeah.
Yeah.
Probably one of the best upgrades you can do.
Yeah.
Because it's permanent. You
Yeah.
can't change it later.
True.
It's one of those things you can't renovate.
Yeah.
Get up. His good angle, huh? Oh, now I'm paranoid. Like I wore my gym pants.
Let's go check out your master bedroom.
Perfect.
Amazing.
Well, this is going to be your walk-in robe as well, which you've added that skylight in. So it's been a bit of background work with that.
Come see this.
That'd
Yeah.
be first for you, is it?
Uh,
That type of skylight?
that type of one, yes. Yeah.
That's right. One of
Skylight.
the first times I've got my way with Ryan.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
really?
I believe there's a fifth bed.
Yeah.
So does the window come to here or here?
Where your hand is actually, that's the bottom of the
That's
window.
Quite high.
So you can't actually see out.
Yeah. Is there any chance of
Yeah.
the window being that size? Because then when you're showering, you can kind of look out at the
See
palm
out.
trees and
Yeah.
almost feel like you can see the ocean. from
Yeah,
here.
sure. It's easy to do this now. I can alter the height of this now, but I will check with the certifier just to make sure there's no issues with height within the shower space.
Yep.
All right, but I will get back to you.
Awesome.
All right.
Little drive-by of the block today. We are not being so lucky with the weather again, but how's this legend? Rain, hail or shine, here's the man still working. Pretty impressed.
Next time on KnockDown ReBuild, if building through record-breaking rainfall hasn't been enough, our next challenge is a worldwide pandemic.
1.5, there you go, Liz.
Ryan is in isolation while Liz gets a tour of the house at lock-up stage. And the kids get to work.